So we're absolutely seeing rent increases throughout the city, and not only rent increases, we're seeing what we would call deposit top-ups as well. So the landlord comes to you once a year, as he's legally obligated to do, and asks you for £100, £200 increase in your rent. Your deposit is usually the same as your 1 month's rent, in the private rental sector. We're seeing that they're also coming and asking for you to top up that as well, to add an extra £100, £200. Landlords are looking at it going, well, okay, I can make a lot more money. I'm looking around me and seeing higher rents all around me. I can get people who earn a lot more money in. So I'm going to increase the rent by £200, £300, £400. These families simply cannot afford it. And this is forcing families out. Categorically, it's forcing families out because landlords have that right to go in and evict whoever they like, basically at any time with very little notice. And there are very low protections for any of these households who are living in this kind of situation. If we look at rents over the last 20, 30, 40 years, since the 1980s, as we've seen a mass movement out of the social housing market. There used to be so many more people had social houses here. It's been a massive process of selling them off, not building nearly enough. Since 1998, we've only seen, I believe it was 2023, the housing executive started to build their first set of social houses since the Good Friday Agreement. This is unacceptable, so we're just seeing a lack of supply of housing and profiteers coming in to try and take advantage of that. Private rents are done on a yearly contract basis. Every year, people are coming to the end of their contract and thinking, am I going to have to move house? Am I going to have to pay a higher rent? Am I going to be forced out to look into the rental market where you're going into houses which have 20 people all queuing to try and rent the same private rental? So a rent freeze we'd absolutely like to see, but then also a no-fault eviction ban, just like they're bringing in Great Britain, where a private landlord and also social landlord don't have the ability to just turf you out whenever they want to make more money off someone else.